this negative right here, okay? It could be for the 3 or the 5. Alright? So you can only use it once. Alright? Once you use it, it's gone. So don't do this. This negative is not at this. Oh, the name means negative 3 and negative 5. It's only one for one of those. Okay? Alright? So if you want to, you can do this. You can take this out and make the 3 negative.
And then the 6 negative.
Okay? You can take this out, make the 2 negative or the 6 negative, it doesn't matter, as long as one of them is negative. Okay? So now we're going to solve for this. So first of all, we're going to take this numerator. We are going to multiply by the denominator of the other one. Okay? So that's 3 times negative 6, a positive 18, equals.
What number is that?
Number 3. Then you take the denominator of this one, you multiply by the numerator of the other one. Alright, so that's 5 times 2 is 10.
How come we cannot do half?
So we're going to do half or we're going to do all of them?
All of them.
What?
Half, mister?
What the hell?
Okay, so next you divide by 10. You divide by 10.
How did you get 10?
Because 5 times 2
And 18?
3 times 6 is 18.
But I thought it was supposed to be negative 18.
No, because if you
Negative.
take a positive, yeah.
Alright, okay. So 10 divided by 18, that's 1.8 equals k, okay?
Nah, it's 9 over 5.
Or you can say k equals 9 over 5. Alright? So your answer could be a decimal or a fraction, it doesn't matter to me. What you do is you take the numerator, you multiply by the denominator. So 5 times m is 5m equals this times the other one. That's 4 times 6 is 24. Then last step you divide by 5, divide by 5. So m equals
4 bottom boy.
Alright, 7. You're gonna take the numerator. Alright, so here it is. Let's set up this problem. You gotta put that in a parenthesis, okay? If there's more than one terms, you put those in parentheses first. Alright? So, very important. Okay? So what you do is, you take the 12, you rewrite it. If you can't see, you can move to this way. And then you multiply by that. So, b plus 8. Alright? Then that's negative. By the way, that's negative. Just make it 2 negative. Alright, boom, negative. Okay?
What the hell?
So, here's a 12.
Yeah.
And that's the b plus 8 right there.
Oh.
Alright, so that's what I did. You're going to do the same thing for the other one. Alright, so you're going to take
2.
the negative 2.
And
then that's b minus 11. Okay?
After that, what do you do?
So that's negative 2 right there. And then this is
Yeah, no.
b minus 11. Okay? Alright, so what do you do next is what we've been doing in class.
Oh, what up, please?
Alright, so first we have to use distributive property to solve for this. 12 times b is 12b.
46 and
46.
96.
96.
46.
Negative 2 times b is negative 2b.
Negative 22.
Good, so negative times negative is a positive 22.
That's the answer?
Yeah. Alright, so we gotta put all the balloons together on one side.
Balloon.
B for balloon. B plus 2.
Why? Oh, you're trying to get rid of that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, 2b over there and 2b over here.
What do you mean?
So 14.
And then negative 22.
B.
Oh, no.
96.
Negative 96.
22.
Right.
And then we put those together.
Yeah. Alright. 14b equals negative 74.
There you go, Pat.
Right?
What did you get lost?
I'm not, bro.
Last you divide by 14.
That's it.
Alright, so whatever negative 74 divided by 14 is, negative 5.2. Alright, that would be your answer, okay? Alright, so here is my parenthesis, here's the other parenthesis. Alright?
How do you do that? How do you do that?
Because if it has more than one thing, one term is in parentheses, okay?
Tama?
What? Alright, so you multiply the numerator and denominator, okay? Alright, so that would be 4 times A plus this and that, multiply them together, so that equals 2 times 5A plus then we are going to solve for it. So 4 times A is 4. A. Can you see on that side? 4 times 6 is 24. Equals 2 times 5 is 10, and we have an A. And 3 times 10, that would be positive 20.
Minus 24.
Good. Now I'm minus 24.
Dang, your hair be falling. Why don't you do 20?
Negative 4.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. This right here, on this step, you can eliminate this, or that. Okay, you have 4 choices. So it doesn't really matter which one.
I don't get it.
Alright, minus 24.
24? Then I doing work, so.
10 and negative 4.
Christian is doing really good.
Finally, first day doing work. I don't know what you. That Colorado.
Alright, so we have 4A minus 10A. This is going to be negative 6A equals negative 4.
Divided by.
And you divide by negative 6. Negative 6. Alright. So, negative 4 divided by negative 6 is going to be positive.
That's devil.
46 repeating. Okay? Alright? Or you can have it as 2 over 3. Okay? This goes inside the parenthesis and this one goes inside the parenthesis. 7 parenthesis x plus 1 equals 10 parenthesis x plus 3.
Seven.
10 times x is 10x. Or 10 times 3 is
30.
30. Alright, so let's say you want a minus 30 right here, and you minus 30 right here. Okay? Now, we eliminate something over here. On the right. If I were to do the next step, which one should I eliminate?
Plus 10. I mean, no,
Is it 7 or 10?
10.
7.
No,
Oh, no,
yeah,
7.
7.
Okay? So you can do this at the same time. Minus 7x, minus 7x. And you can cross it out there.
And it's 23.
So it's negative 23 equals 3x. And last you divide by 3. Alright? So at this step right here, you can eliminate 2 things that you want to. One on the right and one on the left. Okay? Alright? But if that, so x equals negative 7.6. Okay. Alright?